Here is how you can get more space on your iPad but without deleting anything. Let me cover a couple of ways you can take this, and if you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. The first category of things is basically just tricks which we can try to do to free up some of the storage but without getting rid of our files, apps, and so on, right? So you can go to your settings, find a general and a storage and see what's really going on. So obviously, if you have some things like the photos in the trash folder, just make sure to empty that because obviously you can get rid of those and perform some other things which you get recommended in here if you want to. But some tricks which you can do include, for example, reinstalling the existing apps. You can see right here below that we have the list of the largest apps, and those which are quite large, for example, a video editor or some of the apps which could accumulate a lot of data, you can delete the app temporarily and then reinstall it back from the App Store again, and it's very likely that it's gonna give you more storage. For example, I have done this with the photo editor app on my iPhone, and before it was like 700 megabytes, and after reinstalling it was just 400. Right, so I'm not saying it's like a huge difference, but it's definitely something. And if you have like so many things, so many apps, then this might be a nice trick. Obviously, keep in mind that there might be some data which you don't want to lose by deleting the app. So it kind of depends on the app, but that's something which you could definitely do. Also below, you can see we have the iPad OS and see how large it is. And the Apple Intelligence is also taking up quite a lot of storage for me. So that's something which I can also disable inside of the settings, and hopefully it will go down like this. Then speaking of the software, we can as well try to update to see if after installing a new one that we probably are going to free up the storage, because even though you don't have the update installed, you might still have it just downloaded on your device, and that is actually taking up the storage as well. So I would personally just install the latest updates and get and see what happens to like the storage situation. And the second part to this is using iCloud or some different cloud storage, because if you go to your settings, tap on a profile at the top and go to iCloud, you can enable things like the photos syncing, which means that all of your locally stored photos are going to be uploaded to iCloud, so you can free up the local storage and you are not losing or deleting anything. You just moved it to the cloud space, which obviously is limited by free, or by default we have 5 gigs, and you can expand it to pay more, so that's obviously up to you to decide. But that would be another way to get more space on the iPad but without deleting or giving up on any of your files. So I hope it helps that I was able to help you out with this. Thanks a lot for watching, and stick until the end, and I'll see you later.